Welcome to our deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy A57, which is shaping up to be the definitive mid-range king of 2026. The Galaxy A57 has been completely redesigned to capture the premium aesthetic of 2026. It features a sleek, glossy finish, an elegant aluminum frame, and an incredibly slim 6.9mm profile for great grip and portability. This sleek design is also incredibly durable. It features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for outstanding drop and scratch resistance. The A57 is further backed by robust IP68 water and dust resistance. Experience a superb viewing experience with the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. It boasts a peak brightness of 1900 nits and a seamless 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for ultra-fluid scrolling and responsive gaming. The A57 comes with an upgraded triple camera system. This includes a 50MP main OIS camera for clear details, a 12MP ultra-wide for expansive shots, and a 12MP Super HDR optimized for high-contrast selfies. Capture every moment beautifully with features like daylight HDR, nightography for low-light shots, and dynamic portrait for professional-looking photos. The next-gen Exynos 1680 processor ensures smooth multitasking in gaming with an efficient 4nm process. It runs on Android 16 and One UI 8.5, bringing flagship AI tools like Object Eraser and Circle to search to the mid-range. The massive 5000 mAh battery combined with upgraded 45W fast charging allows the Galaxy A57 to reach a 60% charge in just 30 minutes, easily outpacing many standard rivals. Comparing the Galaxy A57 against the competition highlights its strengths. It offers a great balance of features, including a superior display, 45W fast charging, and an impressive 6 years of guaranteed OS updates.